I do have this idea, but it's probably not going to happen. Do you hear that? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I'm wearing purple sludge for a reason. You probably don't know why, but I'm wearing purple sludge because, well, we're going to steamy stacks and the waters are probably going to go purple. Or this place is going to get destroyed. Yep, maybe. I do have this idea, but it's probably not going to happen. So, probably like a cracking goes inside, like a baby cracking goes in the purple stuff, and then like something happens. See, there's an alarm that goes off, but or just next time in like the middle area. So next time you hop in a match, well, just land here and go to wait, let me show you where it is. Do you hear that? But that one was a bit louder, so that's why I have an idea. See that thing? That crane probably gonna come down and pull it up. Yes. Ooh! Please don't shoot me. Why didn't I grab this thing? Okay. See, if you don't know where, oh, there's one alarm. Where's the other one? Yeah. Another alarm's right. And if people saw that, I did not miss that. God, I'm actually getting good loot. I am getting so good loot. I can't believe it. Just done really good loot. Ooh, should I get it? Should I get it? Yep, I've got it. And, well, I think that was a great idea. Ooh, should I get that or not? Should I get it, guys? I have no idea. Should I get it? Ooh. Yep, I've got it. Oh, medkit. I got that in the bazooka. Loud. That's the reason why I'm wearing purple sludge. It took me forever to get purple sludge. Buy these. Where is this guy? It's got the high ground he has. Should I get away? Oh, I can't leave this so good loot. I can't leave it. I just can't. Come on, bring me up. Bring me up. Oh, I see him. Someone's on the run. About to ruin this person's day. Got my sniper completely ready. Oh, he sees me. Oh god, oh, that won't work. I am not the best player at Fortnite. Yes, I said that. I'm not the best player. And I am not. See, my friend did tell me to do a sky base, so I don't know. So should I? Yeah, I'll do it. Let's try to go to the height limit. I've actually never been to the height limit. I have been to the height limit before. But everyone's probably been to the height limit before. Oh, you see that? You see that? I thought I was dead then. I thought I was dead. Like, thought I was dead. Then, so let me just cross. Oh, my friend is on. Well, I might have to end the video here because I do not have that much time. So guys, I'm gonna have to thank you so much for watching, and well, I guess I will see you in the next one.